Hey, how y'all doing? This is Will from Deliciousness on the Move, and guess what? It's Thanksgiving. So today I am displaying my griddle. I don't know if I'm going to do it today. I wanted to cook some breakfast on the griddle, but I got it to a late start. We woke up late. Of course, you know how we do. It is what it is. So welcome to the channel. If you want to see what I'm going to talk about on this video, though, just stay tuned to after the intro. Okay, so we're back. So my kids got this for me for my birthday, which was on the 17th of November, just a few weeks ago. And it's a Blackstone 17-inch tabletop griddle with the side burner that came with the deep fryer and came with this nifty little thermostat. I'm in love with it. It's what I wanted. I'm actually going to buy another one for Christmas. I'm gonna buy, and I ain't even use this one, but I'm going to buy a bigger one for Christmas because one, I hear eating on the griddle, which years of cooking, is less grease, less fat and things like that. You know how it go. Less, and I say grease and fat, which is the same thing. But it's less, just a lot of stuff. It gives things time to drip off and all these great things. So it's just healthy eating, better for you all the way around. So today I just want to show you what I got. I got the blacktop griddle. I had already put it together because I heard some stories that were supposed to be hard to put together, which was really easy, but due to the fact that I didn't know how to put it together, I just wanted to make sure I had it right and didn't want to spend a bunch of time having y'all drag along. I got this, then I got the griddle kit, and of course, you know, you gotta have the what is that down there, the propane tank, and I got this thing because I wanted to make sure I can clean it. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you guys see me take the tapes off, the stickers off, so you know that it's brand new. I hadn't used it before. And I'm going to go ahead and season it. I'm trying to figure out how do people get their stickers off, considering I'm having the hardest time. This time. Then it's a sticker in here. Well, no, it's not a sticker, it's just paper. Put this here. Put this here. Oh, you can cook donuts in here too. My kids might like this a little more than I do. I'm outside in front of my house. Let's just be honest, I don't really do a whole lot of camping. I do want to get a trailer at some point in my life. Not a trailer, but a mobile home. And start camping. Because I want to, I just want to get out of the city. I just want to go somewhere. Get away from my children. I love them to death, but I got 8 of them. So I do want to do that. And I got to figure out how to get this one on. I'm not going to use this one anytime soon today, so I'm not going to worry about it. But I did want to, so I'm not going to worry about it right now. But I got to find something because I don't want to mess up my stuff. So the next thing, so I'm going to get a trailer at some point, mobile home, and so that I can go and leave my children here. No, so I can just go visit, travel the world, travel the countryside again as an adult, and just enjoy being gone. But this right here is more so because I'm starting a vending business, a food business. I'm starting a hot dog cart, and I'm either going to take a table and, which is hence Deliciousness on the Move. I'm either going to take a table and be able to do this. I needed to see which size table I needed, and one that I have right now is probably a good size. Then I can have the hot dog cart, say feasibly here, or if I have it faced this way, I can still serve them this way and have this here and do my griddle and my frying, maybe some french fries or something, whatever I'm gonna cook. So with that being said, the next video will be on seasoning the 17-inch griddle. Alright, so y'all have a great day. Thanks for checking us out. More videos to come. Please like, share, subscribe, and hope to see you on the other side. Deliciousness on the move.